The future perfect tense in fashion, discussing future trends and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT. Fashion is an ever-evolving industry that constantly looks to the future for trends and styles. In English, one way to talk about the future is through the future perfect tense. This tense is used to describe actions that will be completed before a specific point in the future, and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT. One trend that is expected to be popular in the future is sustainable fashion. Many fashion brands are already shifting towards more environmentally friendly practices, such as using recycled materials or reducing waste in their production processes. By 2030, it is predicted that sustainable fashion will have become the norm, with more and more consumers looking for eco-friendly options, and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT. Another future trend in fashion is the rise of gender-neutral clothing. In the coming years, we can expect to see more clothing lines that cater to people of all genders, blurring the lines between traditional men's and women's fashion. This shift towards inclusivity and diversity will make fashion more accessible and appealing to a wider audience, and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT furthermore. Technology is expected to play a significant role in the future of fashion. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence are already being integrated into the industry, allowing for more personalized shopping experiences and innovative designs. In the future, we may see clothes that are designed with the help of AI or virtual fashion shows that can be experienced from the comfort of our own homes, and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT. One brand that is leading the way in embracing future trends is Nike. The athletic wear giant recently announced its commitment to sustainability by pledging to reduce its carbon footprint. By 2030, Nike aims to have all of its products made using renewable energy and have a zero-waste manufacturing process. This forward-thinking approach positions Nike as a pioneer in the sustainable fashion movement, and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT. In conclusion, the future perfect tense allows us to discuss future trends in fashion that will have been completed by a specific point in time. From sustainable fashion to gender-neutral clothing and the integration of technology, the future of fashion is shaping up to be exciting and innovative. By staying ahead of the curve and embracing these trends, fashion brands can continue to push the boundaries of creativity and sustainability.